Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today we are going to do another unboxing video. And today we are going to open this and we will see what's inside this envelope, and we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Let's open this baby and see what we get inside. It's always fun to do these videos. I love to do them. And we have a book, The Ultimate Grid Down Survival Handbook. 5 survival books in one, written by a reliable prepper. He has also a YouTube channel. I suggest pay him a visit, and I will put his channel link in the description box so you can visit him and watch his videos. He has awesome content, and let him know that I send you there, okay? This book, I got this last week, and I decided to make an unboxing video on this one. So I haven't read this one yet, but I can tell you this book will be really interesting reading. And I will read some part of this book, what it says on the back. In an age where life is deeply entangled with the grid, the Ultimate Grid Down Survival Handbook is your indispensable guide to navigating the unthinkable. A world plunged into darkness, the essential compilation distills the wisdom of 5 critical survival areas into a single powerful volume, providing the tools needed for immediate crisis response, sustainable living, and health care without modern facilities. So this book I'm looking really forward to begin to read, and I will do a review on this one when I finish this book, and I will let you know what I think about it, and I will give you my opinion about it. But Reliable Prepper is an awesome guy, and he has very good videos about different topics. And I can tell you, if his videos are really good as this book, or this book is really good as his videos, this book might be really awesome. Very good, probably. I haven't read it yet, but I will. So, in my opinion, it's a beautiful, beautiful book. I like the cover on this one. And you know what, guys? He has a link to Amazon where you can buy his book if you are interested. But I haven't opened this yet, so I want to see how the font size is and if it's easy to read for me, because I am a dyslexic person, or word blind, if you want to call it that. It works either way. So oh yeah, this is good. It is good font size on this text, easy for me to read, so this book will be no problem for me at all. Okay, guys, what do you think about this book? And leave me a comment below. And that's all for today's video, guys. I will see you in the next one. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. That's all for today, guys. I see you on Saturday on my live stream. Take care, stay safe, be part of the solution, not the problem. God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.